Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to take screenshot on Mac. There are two ways to take screenshot. First of all, for whole screen. For that you have to click on command, then shift, then you have to click on 3. You have to click 3 button simultaneously. You can see you get this screenshot. This is the first way to take the screenshot of whole screen. There is another way where you have to click on command, shift and then 4. Instead of 3, you have to click on 4. Now you will see a cursor like this. Then you can drag from where you want to take screenshot. Suppose you want to take screenshot only of B and C column of this Excel sheet. Then you can drag this and you will see you get screenshot only for that selected portion. Hope you have find this video informational for you. Please like, subscribe to our channel.